This is a review of my Victorinox Swiss Tool and some of its main features. On the outer body on this side we've got inches marked, and on the reverse side there's millimeters and centimeters. Opening the tool, we have a pair of pliers relatively similar to long nose with some wire cutters. These work quite well. We have a 3-inch blade that locks in place, that's unlocked with these levers here. We have a large flat blade screwdriver and scraper, a medium sized flat blade screwdriver and scraper and wire strippers here. We've got a smaller flat blade screwdriver with a bottle opener, and a small flat blade screwdriver with a can opener. And finally on this side, a wood saw with once again around about a 3.5 inch blade. On the reverse side we have a metal file and metal saw, very small point flat bladed screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, a centering tool and blade, and last but not least a pair of scissors. These are the best pair of scissors that I've ever used on a multi-tool before, and are very capable. Within the sheath you get a number of tools, extra tools. You've got hex bit holder, number of hex bits, Phillips head screwdriver, and a number of Torx bits that can be added to. You also get a bottle opener which attaches to the multi-tool, so and a very small glasses screwdriver. Comments and observations on the multi-tool. Whilst using the bottle opener, it's very difficult to get enough leverage to pull a cork out of a glass bottle. And some of the larger screwdriver bits I haven't used, but besides that, many of the tools are very good and have come in handy multiple times.